Despite mounting pressure from both within and outside his party, ZANU-PF leader President Mnangagwa has reaffirmed his commitment to the controversial Vision 2030 agenda, signaling his intention to remain in power amid growing calls for the resignation. Sanapenda mashoko obuda panapa onkonza mtukamiri wenyika has publicly stated that he's going to stick to 2030 agenda. Kunyange evidence ilipo mtukamiri wenyika chiti is a constitutionalist. Remember, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Chibida bana bambuda kwa mchinzi. His remarks comes at a time of rising political tension, economic instability, and a deepening factionalism within ZANU-PF. We are in control of our own future, said Mnangagwa, asserting that the goals set under Vision 2030 remain central to his administration's priorities. Honesty, hard work, patriotism, zeal, and dedication will always be rewarded in the Second Republic. My government will always recognize those values and virtues. The president's comments were widely seen as a strategic reaffirmation of authority amid speculation that his leadership is under threat. Critics argue that the Vision 2030 agenda, which aims to transform Zimbabwe into an upper middle-income economy by the end of the decade, lacks transparency, measurable progress, and grassroots support. Political analysts believe Mnangagwa's insistence on the 2030 vision is not just about economic development, but also a calculated move to extend his political lifespan. He is trying national aspirations to his own leadership, one Harare-based analyst said. As the battle over succession and leadership intensifies, Mnangagwa's reiteration of his 2030 agenda sends a clear message to both allies and rivals. He is not ready to relinquish control, whether the nation can be persuaded to share his long-term vision, however, remains to be seen. Doma shukarubuda panapa, wanachiresista, mtukamiri wenyika suko to extend his term to 2030. Tudze mafunguro in the comment section medu. So mafunguro aim zona subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.